Alright, good morning boys, back with another psych video on a weekend. It is Saturday. I want to go over how to get out of the break-even phase and acknowledge that you're a break-even trader, because a lot of you guys are probably, if not unprofitable, then break-even, because why else would you be watching my YouTube videos if you're so-called a profitable trader? Or maybe you just want that extra boost in your trading to take you to the next level. Whatever it is, stick around because this video is going to help you out and add a lot of value to your trading, right? So personally for me, when I was break even, I was miserable. I hated myself for being break even because I wasn't profitable. I'd come a long way from being this unprofitable trader with bad habits. I had decent habits built. I wasn't where I was today yet. Clearly I was break even. I didn't deserve to be profitable. And that was what was in my head. In my head, I constantly told myself, I deserve to be profitable. Why am I not profitable? I worked so hard to get here. Why am I not making money in these markets? The reality is, if you're not a profitable trader, if you're not actively making money in the markets, you don't deserve it. You don't deserve to. And you have to get this ego out of your head that you deserve a better reality, that you deserve to be a profitable trader. You think you're this great trader. In your head, you're envisioning yourself as this god, as this, you can't lose, as this trader that just can't lose a trade, when the reality is, you are bound to lose. You are not the best trader. You don't have the best system. No one has the best system, because that is not a thing. That does not exist. The best system is whatever makes sense to you. I've told you in the past, and I preach this to all my students. The best model, the best strategy, the best approach to the markets is whatever makes the most sense to you. For some people, that's going to be supply and demand. For some people, support and resistance. For some people, ICC concepts. For some people, it could be top ticking, bottom ticking. I don't know how to do that. Once again, you guys know that, right? It all comes down to the person and their style of trading, whatever suits them, right? But enough yap about that, because that doesn't even matter, right? What I want you to acknowledge is, when you're a break-even trader, why are you break-even? You're break-even because you have X amount of habits holding you down from becoming profitable, but you also have Y amount of habits putting you above that stature or that status of being this unprofitable trader with terrible habits. You have a system that you somewhat understand. You just might not have the trading habits to support that system. You still have days where you crash out and blow everything the last day before a payout. You still have days where you take unnecessary losses that will stack up and ruin your P&L, ruin your statistics before that payout hits. But the most important aspect of getting out of the break-even stage is dropping your ego. Drop that fucking ego. So many people, including myself when I was break even or even unprofitable, I would hate to acknowledge the fact that I was break even. I hated myself for not being profitable. That is the best way to do it. I hated myself for not being profitable. I would get mad at myself when I broke my rules. And what does that do? What happens when you get emotional at yourself for breaking a system, breaking your rules? You are more likely to go until you are more likely to break your edge as a trader and start crashing out. If you know you are, what's the word for it? Susceptible. If you're susceptible, I don't even know how to fucking talk, all right? If you are vulnerable to emotions in the market, you should know that. You should acknowledge that. Acknowledge that, hey, if I break my rules today, I'm probably going to get mad at myself for breaking my rules, and I'm going to end up crashing out and blowing my accounts. You cannot hate yourself for not understanding how to be a profitable trader yet. You need to understand that, because when I was unprofitable, when I was break even, whatever stage in my trading I was at before profitable, I hated myself for it. I would get mad at myself for taking stupid losses. I would get mad at myself when I broke my rules, right? You cannot be mad at yourself. You cannot get emotional with yourself as a trader when you are still learning. Instead of being mad at yourself and hating yourself for being in a situation in your trading, learn to just acknowledge it and grow from it, right? Acknowledge the fact. All right, drop your ego, because the reason you're getting mad at yourself is because you have an ego, because you think you deserve to be profitable. So the second you realize you're not, you get mad, right? That is your ego in the way of you becoming a better person, becoming a more successful trader. Drop the ego, right? For example, with me, I would blow my account the last day before a payout several times. I've had 15 Apex accounts at like $3,000 each, and I blew them all back when Apex was 8 trading days or 7 trading days. I blew it the last day. All I needed was $150 per account. What I do? I blew it, right? With Top Step, I've had several days where I just blow it before the last day of the payout. Why? Because I was greedy, because I thought I deserved to be profitable. I knew that I deserved that payout. So what happens or I thought I knew that I deserved that payout, right? Because if you're not profitable, you don't deserve it yet, right? If you have an ego, you don't deserve it yet. Last day before a payout, I thought I deserve this payout. I'm going to win this trade. What happens when you lose? You go on tilt. You think, I deserve this payout. I deserve that win. I've worked so hard to get here. Your emotions are now contradicting your trading rules. Your trading system is telling you, I should get off the charts. I should stop. I should listen to myself and really listen to my system and just trade tomorrow or look for a better system or setup tomorrow. Sorry. Your brain is going to tell you, we deserve this money. We've worked so hard to get here. We deserve all the money in the fucking world. We're a profitable trader now. We should be able to get this payout. Do you think that's going to get you a fucking payout? Do you think that's ever going to work? No. Why the fuck would that work? That is not going to work, right? What you're going to have to do is acknowledge the fact that you're a break-even trader. Acknowledge the fact that you have an ego for no reason. You have an unnecessary ego. Drop the ego and be open to learn. When you're trading, you should always have a student's mentality. What is a student's mentality? A student's mentality is the mentality that you're coming into today with the open mindset to learn and grow. When I'm coming into tomorrow, I'm telling myself, whatever happens today, I will learn and grow from it. I'm not going to tell myself, oh, I'm a profitable trader. I know what's going to happen in the markets. No, I am open to learning from my mistakes on a daily basis. I'm open to growing and becoming a better person, a better trader as time passes on. And that is what you have to do as well. Acknowledge the fact that you're break even. Acknowledge the fact that you're unprofitable and learn and grow from it. Every day you make a mistake, write it down and try to fix it tomorrow. That is what I've been doing, right? When I say acknowledge it and learn and grow from it, I mean stop getting mad at yourself when you're blowing your accounts the last day before a payout, right? Because the whole reason you're getting mad at yourself is because you have an ego that you think you deserve this payout, right? So stop attaching your emotions to your outcomes in tradings. Focus on the inputs. Focus on, I shouldn't be taking this trade right now, right? This is not my trading session. Maybe you only trade AM session, right? And you're looking at the charts in Asia session. Why are you doing that? Maybe you're gambling CPI or PPI with real accounts trying to get a payout. Why are you doing that, right? You should not be doing that. You should not be doing anything that is not part of your system. Another thing that break-even traders tend to do a lot is they don't have full faith in their system yet because you don't have that proof of concept. And I don't blame you. You don't have that proof of concept that the system's made you money, because you've never gotten a payout before. Or maybe you have gotten a payout, even worse. You gotten a taste of that success. That's another thing that makes being break-even so hard is that you've actually gotten a taste of what it's like to be profitable. That once again, your ego is going to tell yourself that you deserve to be back where you were before, getting those payouts, passing those funded accounts. If you pass the funded, if you've gotten a payout, you understand that you were on a high, right? Your ego is going to chase that high. So the second you lose a trade, the second you get any setback in your trading, you are going to crash out and get emotional. It is your job to acknowledge that you are doing that and to catch yourself and stop it before it happens. Like I said, every trader is going to get emotional. The difference between a profitable and unprofitable trader is that a profitable trader does not react on their emotions. They are mature. They understand that if they react on their emotions, they are likely to go on tilt, spiral, and lose all their money. A non-profitable trader has not acknowledged that yet. So that takes me back to a break-even trader. You need to acknowledge your mistakes, acknowledge that you get emotional in your trading, acknowledge the fact that you are not a profitable trader yet, and make it your goal to get there. Don't make it your reality that you have an ego that is telling yourself that you deserve to be there because you clearly don't. You clearly don't because you would be there, right? So acknowledge the fact that you're not there, drop the ego, be open to learning and growing. So when you're one day away from your payout, what are you gonna do this time? Instead of crashing out and blowing your accounts, you're gonna de-risk, or have normal risk and wait for a setup. What's gonna happen if you lose? Nothing. Your ego is not gonna get in the way and tell you, I deserve this payout. No, you're gonna sit there knowing damn well I could just find a better setup tomorrow. Or if it's Friday, so be it. I'll find a better setup on Monday, right? And if a better setup presents itself later in the day, take it, whatever. But if you lose that one, you're down 2 trades for the day, get the fuck off the charts. Get off the charts. Trading is a game of preserving your capital. If you don't preserve your capital, you're not gonna win in the long run, right? So I hope you guys took something good out of this video. I hope you guys can actually fix your psychology and get out of the break-even stage with this. Free Discord, all links to everything that I teach students is in bio. I don't like plugging shit, you guys know that. But I hope you guys have a blessed day and took something new out of this video. I'll see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.